हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू वाइट फोर्ट्रेस साइबर सिक्योरिटी। आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में हमारा मेन टॉपिक रहेगा ओएसआई मॉडल। उससे पहले हमारे कुछ छोटे मोटे टॉपिक्स रह गए हैं, वो हम कवर अप करेंगे। फिर हम आईएसओ मॉडल कंटिन्यू करेंगे, सॉरी, ओएसआई मॉडल। एंड आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग द वीडियो लिंक विद माय स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट अ सेकेंड। एंड गाइस, अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी पुराने वीडियोस में कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, कोई भी डाउट हो, तो आप मेरे को चैट में बता सकते हैं, कमेंट्स में बता सकते हैं, एंड आई विल रिप्लाई टू इट एज सुन एज आई सी योर मैसेजेस। ठीक, तो थोड़ा सा बस वेट कर दिया करो मेरे रिप्लाईज का। एंड आई विल मेक श्योर कि आपके सभी डाउट्स क्लियर हो, चाहे वो किसी भी चीज से रिलेटेड हो, बट ऑफ कोर्स इट शुड बी रिलेटेड टू आवर कोर्सेज ओनली, या आपके करियर से रिलेटेड होने चाहिए वो क्वेश्चंस। ठीक है, तो वीडियो चली गई है सबको भाई, जिन्होंने भी हमारा नंबर सेव कर रखा है, जो भी हमारे कांटेक्ट में है, उन सबको। और अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि आपको भी टाइम टू टाइम व्हाट्सएप पे अपडेट मिलती रहे, तो आप हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ऑल्सो अगर आप हमारे कोर्सेज वगैरह ज्वाइन करना चाहें, तो उसके लिए भी आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। चलिए, तो शुरू करते हैं। कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स। अब कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स को ना डिवाइड किया गया है बेस्ड ऑन ओनरशिप, बेस्ड ऑन सर्विस एंड कंट्रोल, बेस्ड ऑन जोग्राफिकल एरिया। सो बेस्ड ऑन ओनरशिप तो हम ऑलरेडी जान ही चुके हैं, जैसे कि हमारे प्राइवेट एंड पब्लिक नेटवर्क्स। प्राइवेट नेटवर्क्स कौन से होते हैं? हमारे लोकल एरिया वाले नेटवर्क्स हो गए, जो कि हम जिस नेटवर्क में बैठे हुए हैं, और राउटर हमें जो भी आईपीस वगैरह प्रोवाइड कर रहा है सभी डिवाइसेस को, जो भी मेरे लोकल एरिया में, मेरा सिस्टम, सर का सिस्टम, मैम का सिस्टम, सबके सिस्टम्स जो है आपस में हमारे एक ही राउटर के थ्रू आईपी ले रहे हैं। विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वाईफाई आई एम कनेक्टेड विद, तो अल्टीमेटली मैं राउटर से कनेक्टेड हूँ। ये मेरा डिफॉल्ट गेटवे है ना। यहाँ पे जैसे आईपी कॉन्फ़िग किया मैंने, एंड ये मेरा डिफॉल्ट गेटवे है, मतलब मेरे राउटर की इंटरनल आईपी है 192.168.1.1। सो ये क्या, हम एक प्राइवेट नेटवर्क में बैठे हैं। पब्लिक नेटवर्क कौन सा हो गया आपका? इंटरनेट हो गया, या फिर जो आप ऐसे नेटवर्क पे बैठे हैं जो कि पब्लिकली एक्सेसिबल है। हेलो, वेरी गुड इवनिंग शुभम यादव, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। भाई, आप लोगों के कोई भी डाउट्स हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हो, आप हमें बताते रहिएगा। जस्ट अ सेकेंड, आप लोगों के कमेंट्स बंद हो गए। हाँ, अब ठीक है। वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन, टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स। एंड दूसरा हमारा है बेस्ड ऑन सर्विस कंट्रोल, बेस्ड ऑन ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया, जो कि अब हम पढ़ेंगे। ठीक, स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले बेस्ड ऑन सर्विस एंड कंट्रोल से। पहला हम जानेंगे क्लाइंट एंड सर्वर मॉडल के बारे में। ठीक है, ये कई बार जो है क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं, क्लाइंट एंड सर्वर मॉडल क्या होता है हमारा। हाँ जी, कोई भी आपका क्वेश्चन है शुभम यादव? कोई अगर आपको क्वेश्चन है तो आप बताइए। तो क्लाइंट और सर्वर मॉडल में क्या होता है? हमारे पे सर्वर होता है, हम पे मल्टीपल क्लाइंट्स होते हैं। क्लाइंट्स बेसिकली क्या है? जो डेटा रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, है ना। जैसे यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने यहाँ पे ब्राउजर में रिक्वेस्ट किया www.whitefortress.in, तो क्या हुआ, यहाँ से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट जा रही है। ठीक है, ये जो भी वेबसाइट पूरी सर्वर के यहाँ से रिप्लाई बैक आया, सर्वर ने क्या किया, ये जो मेरा रिक्वेस्ट थी उसको हैंडल किया और मेरे को रिस्पॉन्ड किया। ठीक, तो क्लाइंट सर्वर मॉडल, इट इज अ कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ नेटवर्क दैट इंक्लूड्स अ सर्वर एंड वन और मोर क्लाइंट्स। ठीक, एक या एक से ज्यादा क्लाइंट्स होंगे। जैसे अब क्लाइंट में कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, कोई भी डिवाइसेस हो सकते हैं। वेरी गुड इवनिंग आदर्श, आई एम गुड, हाउ अबाउट यू? Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot this lecture was supposed to be in English. I'm so sorry. So, we have got computer networks and we have divided them on the based on ownership, based on service and control, based on geographical area. And sorry for all the non-Indian people. We already have lecture our video lectures in Hindi, so Indians can go and watch that. And if you're comfortable in English, then you can just go with this one. So also who are Indian only and do not understand Hindi, so this course is best for you guys. Okay, so we have got peer-to-peer model and client server model, that we divide the network based on service and control. So in client server model, we have got several clients who request the data, and we have got multiple server who respond with the data. Ma'am, I'm good. Okay, that's great, others. And guys, if you get any doubts, any questions, let me know. So server basically handles all the requests, has to handle shared resources, have to handle the database. Database stores all the information, all the data, printer, and handle the incoming request for the chair. What do these have to do? These request the data. Your devices request the data, as well as they manages local resources like CPU, keyboard, monitor. These are the local resources that are managed by your clients. Now, these clients are basically who are requesting data, means it is basically not your entire system, but a particular application or a web application or a browser, you can say. Okay, so client is basically, if we specify one thing, it is your browser or some web app that is asking for information. Ma'am, what time do you upload video? I'm not currently uploading any videos. We are doing live lectures only because I do not generally get enough time to edit the video and everything. That's why I prefer live streaming more. So we are not currently uploading any videos, but soon, sir, when sir will be free, he'll start making videos on pen testing, and after CH, I will start with web application pen testing online. Okay, in the live classes, we will start with the web application pen testing course after the CH. So I hope that you learn all the basics that are required for the web application pen testing from this course alone. Okay. Very good evening, everyone. I'm really happy to see you all, Louise, Pavani. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry, ma'am, I am talk about live. Yes, I am live on Monday to Friday, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So this is your client server model. Now let's come to the peer-to-peer model. Okay, one more thing in client server model, your server has more power rather than the clients, because it has to handle everything. And in peer-to-peer model, all the devices have got the same capabilities. So here you can see in P2P model, each party have the same capabilities, and any party can initiate a communication session. So what happens in the client server model? Only the clients can initiate the communication session. Server just replies back with the data. Yes, you're welcome. Others. Okay. And but what happens in P2P? All the devices has got the same capabilities. Any party can initiate the communication session. And in this model, user can use the internet to exchange files directly with each other. So all the devices in P2P model act as client and server, both as client and server. So if you ever hear P2P, peer to peer, so that just simply means that all the systems are just connected with each other. Like, for example, I'm able to communicate with you. My system is sending you message. You're replying back to me. That's just P2P. All the systems are directly in contact with each other and can share the information. But in client server model, the data is received from the server only. Next, types of network or networks divided basically on the geographical area, based on geographical locations. So we have got PAN, that is your personal area network. LAN, that is your local area network. MAN, which is your metropolitan area. And lastly, WAN, that is your wide area network. So PAN, personal area network, connects electronic devices within a user's immediate area. Okay, I've got lots of questions. Just a second. We'll get back to it after the questions. Ma'am, I don't know how to use Kali, but I was just using ChatGPT command and performing brute force on my school's website. I don't know exactly what is happening. I was just following the ChatGPT command. I didn't understand much, but I realized that my school's website seemed to have no security at all. My IP was reaching their server, so I stopped. Can you check and tell me about it? Sahil Kumar, what you are exactly doing is what script kiddies do. They do not know how the things are working in the background, but they want to learn and they just keep on performing these kind of acts. And these kind of people might get caught. Are you getting my point? So you should not perform any illegal activity without knowing what is actually happening behind the scenes. You need to have a proper knowledge about all the things. Is it star topology? No, no, Luisi, it's not star topology. In star topology, we have got a central hub, and all the devices are connected with a central hub or a central switch, and through which all the packets move. Do not confuse it with the star topology or the networking part. That networking part, that's completely different. Ma'am, can you explain client server one more time? Definitely, Adarsh and Sahil Kumar. Please do not attempt any such activities on any website, especially Indian websites, and it could be harmful. Hello, Vimal Magar. Welcome to the channel. Okay, so what was I saying? Client server model. You want me to explain the client server model? And here we have got multiple clients. So it is a configuration of computer that include a server and one or more client. So basically, this is my system person, this is my laptop, and I want to access any XYZ website, like for example, www.whitefortress.in. So what will happen? My request will go through the internet. Internet is nothing but multiple devices are there in between, multiple routers, multiple switches. If you're not very much aware of it, just skip this part. Okay, so what we need to know right now is we have got a client. It could be your browser, which is asking for the request. Here, I requested this particular website, https www.whitefortress.in. And then what happens? Server basically responds back with the with this particular page, this particular web page. Okay, so what this client has to manage, it manages local resources like keyboard, CPU, monitor, mouse, stuff like that, whatsoever it has to. But your server is more powerful. This server has got more power than any other client present over here. So server is more powerful than the client, which manages shared resources like databases, printers, etc., and handle all the incoming requests for its share. Ma'am, which city are you from? I am from Delhi, Shubham. Ma'am, but I haven't studied the part yet. You know, I'm currently studying networking. Have just completed it. I was doing this out of curiosity. I really appreciate and understand your curiosity, but I do not want you to get caught in a mess for no reason. Okay, so you need to know whatever you are doing, what's the reason behind it, and how it can impact you or any other organization. We as ethical hackers do not harm anything, do not harm any organization. We are just there to protect the organizations, companies, and ourselves or individual. Okay. So if you have any other YouTube channel, please let me know and I will subscribe to that as well. Thank you so much, others. But I do not have any other YouTube channel. This is my only YouTube channel. Lucky boss, welcome to the channel. Ma'am, which certs you have completed in this field? I've got CEH, that is your Certified Ethical Hacking. Second, I have CCNA, that is your Cisco Certified Network Associate. I have Web Application Pen Testing Certificate, Mobile Application Pen Testing Certificate. I also have, what do we call it? like I have basic, not just basic, intermediate knowledge on Python and other languages like Bash, C, C++, stuff like that. And we have got other teachers as well who have completed their CPTS, OSCP, and what do we call it? EJPT, other than these courses. So, ma'am, can you please check and tell me? I just want to know I don't have any wrong. Okay, I definitely understand your intention, Sahil Kumar. You can message me and send me the screenshot of whatsoever you're doing. The number is in the description. Ma'am, I understand client server. You teach very best. Thank you so much, Adarsh. Ma'am, Python and Bash is no. It's not mandatory. In start, you can just go with the C, C++, basic languages, and HTML, CSS, HTML, and JavaScript for the XSS part. Okay, so you do not need a lots of, just at least you should have basic knowledge about C, C++ like languages. Then side by side you can learn other languages like your some HTML, CSS, JavaScript like languages, which also makes you understand some web application structure and the source code better, which also ultimately helps you in finding out. And also there are many languages like SQL, Python. It's never ending. Okay, the more you learn, the better it is. It's a never ending field, guys. Always new vulnerabilities, new bugs come into the role. The more you know, the better it is. But do not quit learning, just keep on learning whatsoever. And do not think that there is a lot of things to learn, that I need to do this also, that also. No, just start with the simple thing and slowly just go with the flow. Just keep on learning and make sure to keep all your basics very strong. All your concepts should be very strong. I hope, lucky boss, your doubt is clear. And guys, if you get any questions, any other, let me know. And guys, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's continue. So we were talking about PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. So PAN basically stands for your personal area network that connects electronic devices within users' immediate area. So, for example, here I'm sitting and I have connected a Bluetooth mic for say, I have connected a wireless mouse, connected wireless printer. So it is in a very immediate area, very short range. So your personal area network connects electronic devices within user's immediate area, like you're connecting your phone with the Bluetooth or your headphones. So it ranges from a few centimeters to a few meters. And here's the example: Bluetooth earpiece plus your smartphone. So that is your personal area network. Others, please reveal your name, ma'am. I've already revealed my name a lots of time. My name is Swabhi. You are become mysterious, ma'am. No, I'm not mysterious at all. I'm not mysterious at all. Others, we have office in Delhi. You can definitely visit us. And I'm not a mysterious person. Okay, let's continue, guys. LAN, local area network, is a collection of devices connected together in a one physical location, such as building, office, school, or home. So there are multiple devices in a single location, like in a single building, in a single school, office, house network, very small network. Okay, here also you can see the examples. So all the devices that come under a single particular router. Here you can see there are multiple devices connected, like your laptops, your mobile phones, all connected to a router. Or maybe there could be several, many more devices, like your switches could be there, hubs could be there, but they are in a single physical location and on the same network. So LAN can be small or large. It can be as small as your small home office network, or it can be as large as a complete school building or your a complete big building like office building. Ma'am, reveal your name, please, ma'am. Swabhi. My name is Swabhi. I'll write it in the start. Wait. I gave you my name. It's Swabhi. Like it's the word Swabhiman. Yeah. So my name is Swabhi. Thank you so much, Shubham Yadav. Yes. If you have any questions, please write them down directly. So as soon as I see your messages, I can reply to you. And guys, if you need any if you get any questions, you can also contact me on the number that is given in the description below. Also, we provide mentorship and courses like CEH, CCNA, complete diploma courses, 2-month courses, 6-month courses, whatsoever you want to learn from us related to cybersecurity. You can definitely contact us on the number that is given in the description below. Also, our new SOC batch might be starting next month. Yes, it's starting next month. So those who are interested in the SOC batch for the mentorship stuff, so they can also contact us on the on the number in description. Yeah, ma'am, I'm just joking. Okay, ma'am. Sorry, man. Metropolitan Area Network. It is a computer network that connects computer within a metropolitan area, which could be a single large city, multiple cities and towns, or any given large area with multiple buildings. So basically, multiple lands. Like I have got an office land, I've got a home land, I've got school land, college land, factory land. So multiple lands all together combine and forms a metropolitan area network. So for example, there is a owner of hospital land, college land, school land, factory land, and they want all these lands to sit on a particular network, on a single network. They can directly communicate with each other. Okay, so it's a metropolitan area network. Computer networks within a metropolitan area, which could be a single large city, multiple cities, towns, or a given area with multiple buildings as well. A man is larger than a local area network, but smaller than a wide area network. Next, WAN. WAN is your wide area network, is a technology that connects your offices, data centers, applications, cloud storage together. So, for example, I am here live streaming at the moment. All the data is getting stored at the YouTube's data center, right? All the data will be stored over here. Like, for example, I'm in office in Delhi branch. And of White Fortress Cybersecurity, and all the data, whatsoever I'm just recording over here, is getting stored in the YouTube's data center. Now, after this video is completed, after the live is stopped, or I have uploaded some video to the data center, I can access it anytime, just from my office or from my home network. So WAN is a wide area network, is a technology that connects your office's data center, cloud applications. Cloud applications is nothing. Just all the data is being stored in cloud. What is cloud? Cloud are nothing but data centers which have got all your data. Like for example, we have got photos. We have got Google Photos, Google Drive, and what else? Okay, let's just take these two examples. We have got Google Photos, Google Drive, stuff like that. So all that information, where is it getting stored? It's getting stored in the cloud storage at the data center. What is at the data center? Nothing but servers for storage, multiple devices, a complete network with routers, servers, everything. What is the biggest network in the world, ma'am? Biggest network in the world? That's internet. Biggest network in the world. Like, are you referring it to a specific network or it's, ma'am, are you a hacker? Yes, Adarsh, I am a partial hacker because I teach ethical hacking to people. I'm a ethical hacker. I'm a cybersecurity trainer, and you can call me an ethical hacker because I do find vulnerabilities in web applications, mobile apps, and stuff like that. Guys, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And my net is a bit slow. Yeah, now it's working well. Guys, if you get any questions, you can let me know in the chat and also in the comments. So, WAN, it spans beyond a single building or large campus to include multiple locations spread across a specific geographical area or even the world. Okay, so it spreads again across a specific geographical area or even the world. What does it mean? Means, for example, my office branch is currently in Delhi and the data center is in Singapore. Okay, so it could be this, your van could be as large as a very huge geographical area or spread across multiple locations as well and even the world. Now, there is another basic term, packets. So, for example, I want to send a file to you. Multiple man forms internet. No, guys, I won't say that. Wait. What is internet? Let me tell you. Here is a simple image to tell you about what is internet. This is your private network where all your devices are connected. Then ultimately router, whatsoever it is connecting you with, either you want to access this website or I'm contacting with you, that is your internet. Means anything or everything other than your local area network or your private network is your internet for you. Us, ma'am, you hacker, ma'am. Okay, Shubham Yadav. What is internet? Internet is multiple devices are there. So, for example, like here is my network. Okay, here are multiple devices like my device, my phone, all are connected with this router and ultimately to the Wi-Fi. Now, this router is helping me connect with multiple web applications, helping me helping me with streaming and everything. And so all the stuff other than your local area network will be considered internet. Internet is nothing but there are multiple devices, tons of devices, servers, your routers, systems. That is what internet is. So here also router is connected to your internet service providers, another router, then another router, and ultimately it reaches the google.com or something like that, right? So anything other than your private network will be internet. Ma'am, now I will have to be afraid of you. Ma'am, you are a threat. Phone phone B gets hacked. Others, now we need to learn. Focus. Okay? No more jokes. Now we're gonna learn very seriously. If you get any questions, you can ask me about that. Now, packets are used for efficient and reliable transmission of data. Instead of transferring a huge file as a single data block, sending it in smaller packets improve the transmission rate. So, for example, I'm sending you a file or I'm sending you a specific document. What happens? It does not go directly from my system to your system as a single data block. It doesn't just go from here to there. Not like that. How does it go from my system to your system? It is first divided into small packets, and ultimately one by one all the packets from my system will leave for your system. Right? So how does it work? One by one all the packets move from my system to your system. So packets are used for efficient and reliable transmission. Also, like for example, here I am pinging google.com. Okay, here I ping the google.com. Packets sent 4, packets received 4, and lost 0. So whatever I want to do, if either I have to check the connectivity to the internet or connectivity to a specific website like google.com, whitefortress.in, what will happen? I'll simply have to uh, write I can simply ping that network, and all the packets from my system will arrive on this system, on this google.com system. And here you can see I'm getting the reply from google.com. So packets are being sent from my system to the google.com system, and here you can see lost packets are 0. That means the connection is reliable. So packets are used for efficient and reliable transmission. If the packets are not sent in if packets are not sent, then what will happen? If the packets fail, that means the communication session is not reliable. Okay, the more packet loss, the less reliable will be the reachability. So packets are used for efficient and reliable transmission. Instead of transferring a huge file, the data is sent into the smaller packets. It also improves the transmission rate, means it helps in sending data from one system to another system in a very quick manner. Packets also enable computers to share the same connection. Also, like for example, at one moment I am sending file to my friend, and at another moment I also simultaneously I am streaming live. Also, I am talking to someone on the text, or I'm texting a student, something like that. Okay, so I can perform all these things simultaneously in my system. That is also because of the packets only. Packets help in enabling multiple computers to share the same connection. We are able to do multiple things simultaneously just because of the packet. So if we look at the structure of the packet, here you can see packet is divided into header, payload, and trailer. So header contains some important information like MAC address, like source, destination, MAC address, source and destination system IP address, what port numbers of source and destination. We will see that in the Wireshark part, especially. We will see the packet structure and everything in detail. Now, what is payload? Payload is the data that is being transferred from one system to another system. What is trailer? Trailer is basically the end of the packet. Ma'am, now I will have to be afraid of you. You are a hacker. What if you hack my phone? I'm gonna like. I'm just joking, ma'am. Okay, I'm not serious. Ma'am, when you reveal your face, you want to see my face, just come to the institute and you can talk with me. Like you can take classes, you can join the classes, or you can come and meet us at our institute, White Fortress Academy, that is situated in Delhi currently. You can find us on Google as well. Hello, Meet Soul. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, everyone. And guys, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and stay connected with us. Also, if you need mentorship in any cybersecurity courses, you can definitely contact us on the number given in the description. Also, we have got a registration form for our courses. You can also register in that form. We have the link in the description. Okay, so what is ping? Now, ping uses ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. Hello, Krishna. Welcome to the channel. Ping uses ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. So, guys, this is another protocol that, like while pinging the system, this is the protocol that is used. Packets to determine the performance of a connection between devices. For example, if the connection exists or is reliable, or used to test the reachability of a host on an internet protocol network. So basically, packets also help in determining the connection. It also helps us knowing if a particular system is reachable or not. Ritik, just a second, guys. Ritik, ये दे दो उन्हें. हाँ जी. Just a second. I have got a visitor. एक बैनर बनवाओ आप. हाँ जी. मैं तो आ गया अंदर.